Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2022 Opel Grandland and I will show you how to remove and replace the ceiling or dome light bulbs, which are right here. Now first you will have to remove this plastic covering. There is no screws or anything holding it, so you just have to pretty much pry it out. Now the best tool to use would be a plastic trim remover. If you don't have one, you can use like a flat screwdriver. Just be careful not to make any scratches. Okay, so to start you want to gently pry your flat screwdriver in here and pull down all around until you get it nice and loose and you can completely remove it. See? Just like that. And now the best would be to use both of your hands just to gently remove this without making any scratches. Okay. So I will show you here as well. There is just a couple of plastic tabs which are holding this in place, as you can see. Okay, once you have that plastic off, to remove any of the light bulbs, you just want to grab it and pull it straight down. And that's pretty much it. Once you have a new light bulb, just push it back in, install that plastic cover, and that's everything you have to do. Very easy. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.